How to sign up for tutoring. If you're nervous about signing up for a tutoring session online, don't be. The scheduling process is very simple and straightforward. From the Odessa College homepage, scroll down to the portion that says Links. Then you're going to select the LRC. That is going to take you to the LRC homepage. Here, scroll down until you see Schedule a Tutoring Appointment. This is going to take you to the tutoring schedule. Go ahead and select a location for your appointment. For the purpose of this example, we're going to be choosing online. Then scroll down and locate your class. Now you can select a date and a time for your appointment. If you're having trouble finding a time that works for you, try selecting a different tutor. They all keep different schedules. After selecting a date and a time, click Continue. Here you will enter your name, email, and your student ID, and then select Confirm Appointment. The link to the tutoring schedule is right here. Just scan this QR code. If you need to verify the date and time of your tutoring session, you can do that here by selecting Manage a Tutoring Session. Then scroll down and select View My Appointments. Just enter your information and you'll be able to see every tutoring session that you've signed up for. You can get directly to the management screen by scanning this QR code. Some classes are even supported by supplemental instructors, or SIs. To book an appointment with an SI, simply scroll down and select Register for SI Session. This will take you straight to the SI schedule. Then scroll down and find the session that you would like to register. You can go straight to the schedule by scanning this QR code. Thank you for joining us for this Odessa College mini workshop. Workshops are put on by the Academic Success Workshop. For more information on future workshops, or to suggest a topic for a future workshop, please contact us at lrc@odessa.edu.